We won't stop. We can't stop. This is Gerard's Horticulture Culture. And we got an unboxing. So yes, Facebook does it again. My plants are getting bigger. The crew is getting bigger. And I was doing some surfing on my phone, and a Facebook member had a begonia that I haven't seen lately in my area. So I said, let me check them out. So basically what I did is said, hit the button, is plant still available? The seller responded, said, yes, we have a few left. And I was just blown away by the pictures. So I was silently saying, yes, let's get these angel wing begonias. And lo and behold, this Facebook member of the houseplant community has a YouTube page as well. I believe I was checking them out. They have like a huge hemp farm with many possibilities other than smoking the hemp or the marijuana or the weed or whatever you want to call it. But they also sell indoor plants. So check them out. Yellow Mountain Garden. They're on Facebook. I'll put the link in the comment section below. But I did tell them when I get the box, what I just got today, I would give them an unboxing, real time, unedited. Well, I'll do some editing because I always like to do the editing. But I told them I'd definitely give them a look out because they're a part of the plant community. And why not boost another member of the plant community? So that's what we're doing on this video. I may have just gave it away what I got, but we're going to show you what we got here. I'm going to silently try to make sure that I don't damage the goods. I got this USPS or US Postal Service, and it's always a good day. It's like Christmas. You always like Christmas when you're getting the plants in the mail. And this is a huge box, it's pretty large. It's about bigger than my big head. And like I said, Yellow Mountain Garden. And it's already looking good. I'm already, if I'm not smiling, there's a problem. It's always easy for you to smile than to frown. And it's already looking great. Packaging looks great. Let me get you a better shot, a better angle. Packaging outstanding. And we're going to carefully unbox these fragile lives. Wow, very nice. Very nice. So this is what we got. We got another cane angel wing begonia that I didn't have in my collection, but I now have this nice angel wing begonia. This is number 1. I have one more for you. I'm just checking it out. Plant looks incredible, and I'm sure it's a heavy grower. And also, some people call it dragon wing, angel wing. I mean, it is what it is. I really don't care. But this is what we got, the angel wing begonia. And we got one more to show you. And like I said, I was blown away by their videos. You guys check the videos out. Yellow Mountain Garden. Lot of great possibilities what they got going on. This is another cultivar. Spectacular. And believe it or not, I got these for $7 each. These cuttings, and it's unbelievable. I see them in the stores for about 15, maybe 10, more than $10, but you can't beat $7. So I mean, Facebook, that when you got personal sellers that are taking pride in their work, why not why not support them? So that's what I'm doing here. And I got this other Rex. I'm sorry, not the Rex. We got a cane angel wing begonia, which is going to look spectacular in my collection. I can't wait to see it grow and see it flourish, because that's what it's about. I'm sure if you have plants, that's all it's about. You just want to watch things grow. And these are the new 2 begonias that I have in my care, which I will do my best to make sure that life is on the up and up, because we always like to see things grow. You know, I think plant people are the best people to invest in, because you got something, you know, what Warren Buffett says, you're supposed to buy low, sell high. And you know, there's not huge plants, but they're a decent size. They're not like a small size. I've gotten plants from reputable sellers that are even smaller than this, and I can't believe that I got this for even cheaper for what I just bought from it. So guys, like I said, Facebook marketing, those groups, got to check them out if you're looking for a rare or plant that you can't get in your area. There's a great community. Usually what you do, if you haven't bought from Facebook community, if you see something that you like, you just join the group. They'll probably ask you some questions. You know, what's your favorite plant? When I was asked that question, I don't have a favorite plant. And I don't suggest anybody buying me any plants, because I have to be drawn to a plant. It's just the way I am. I like the shape. So obviously the angel wing begonia, and I also have, you know, you've seen my other begonia, and I have a Rex begonia, and I have the escargot begonia. I just like the shape of it. You know, some people just have their preferences. I definitely have a certain preference. I just don't like to have a plant that I just am not drawn to. I'm not going to name those plants, because they all do their own thing and they're all beautiful in their own way. It's just not my preference. But I saw these and I'm like, I gotta get them. And I'm so happy that they reached out to me. Yellow Mountain Garden, thank you very much for your care and your, you know, everything that you do. Hope everybody goes well. Everything's going well with your farming and everything like that. And I'm happy to promote you on my platform, Gerard's Horticulture Culture. I will definitely keep everyone informed about how these things grow. I'll do my best, make sure I got, you know, at least 70% humidity in my house, which I got trays set up, pebbles, I got humidifiers going, you know, at least once a day. The watering, you know, if with begonias, you gotta let the soil dry out, and also you have to give them at least partial sun. You kind of want them in a south or east facing window. South facing window is a little bit too harsh for them, might cause some scorching. I want to definitely keep them in a east facing window in my house. I suggest you do the same. Pretty basic for what the begonia varieties, and there's tons of varieties with begonias. If you have any comments or suggestions or anything like that you want to comment with me, don't forget to check out my Instagram page at Gerard's_horticulture_culture, and keep growing.